but I wanted to do something for the school, so I got my salary. I thought, like, I'm anyway, I don't need much in life, so I donated 2 months of my salary for that school. So there is no greater joy than making somebody happy. The first year, though, I was going mostly, I think, 4-5 hours of coaching, and then after that, another like 12 hours of study. So basically, it was study and sleep, study and sleep. Of course, in between you have to eat to live.
You are very focused on that walking movement.
Yes.
And there's also the walk to work.
Yes.
Is it because the Shillong infrastructure is lacking and could be improved? Maybe traffic management.
Yes, I mean, it started in Shillong, because when I was in William Nagar, there is zero traffic because it's very less
So you
people.
have to-
In Tura also it was okay, but here there's a big problem. So I started walking, and I realized it took less time walking than using a car.